Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very simple potato recipe that is known as potato crepes. So the ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken 3 boiled potatoes, medium size, and I have grated it, as you can see. Boiled it and then grated the potatoes. Here I have taken 2 cups of flour. This is all purpose flour. We also call it maida. You can take 2 cups of maida. This is red chili powder. We are going to use 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, or if you don't want it too spicy, you can reduce this. You can skip this also. Salt as per our taste. Oil. Oil to fry the crepes. This is 2 medium size onion finely chopped. Fresh coriander leaves. 2 green chilies finely chopped, and 5 cloves of garlic chopped. So the first step that we are going to do, we will add these ingredients to this potato. And then we will mix it. Just slightly mix it. Add salt as per your taste. Add the chili powder. And now mix it properly. Now friends, as you can see, everything is mixed properly. This is the time we will add the maida, that is the all-purpose flour. And we will add water. Little by little water we are going to add, and we are going to mix it and make a smooth batter. So with the help of an egg beater, let's mix it. We'll mix it to form a smooth batter. So now friends, I have made this batter. This is the perfect consistency. So it is ready. Now I am going to cook this. So for cooking, here I have heated this pan and I am going to grease oil. And as you can see, the pan is heated. So with the help of a spoon, you put the batter in the pan Spread it equally and then over a medium flame let it get cooked for some time. Now friends, it's cooked from one side, so let's flip it. And we'll cook from the other side also. So this potato crepe is ready now. We will transfer it in a plate. So friends, here is it ready. Now I am going to put the second potato crepe in this. So I'll just brush it with oil. And then again I will put the potato mixture. Spread it equally. And then again I'll let it get cooked. Same way we will cook this also nicely on both the sides. You have to be careful as it's very soft. This one also, one side is cooked, so I have flipped it to the other side. You have to be very careful since it is very soft. We'll gently press it like this and we'll cook. So friends, this one is also ready. So I'm going to transfer this to the plate. So here my another potato crepe is also ready. So the next step, again I will follow the same step. I will put this batter in the pan. First I have greased the pan with oil, as you can see. Then again I'll put the batter. And we'll let it get cooked. So same procedure friends, we'll keep on repeating and prepare all these potato crepes. So friends, here is our delicious potato crepes ready. You can savor this for breakfast. You can also pack this in tiffin. Have it with your favorite sauce. This tastes very delicious and very yummy. I hope you liked my recipe friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon friends. Bye. Thanks for watching.